I want to welcome you guys to the second episode of How on Earth Is This Selling on Amazon. And you might have noticed that my special guest, Kimberly Joy, who loves health, arbitrage, and pickles, or fur babies, also known as cats. She has a ton of cats at home, and she thinks they're wonderful. Guys, I'm excited because today we're unpacking another product. I have no idea what this product is. And have you seen the product?
I have not.
You haven't?
Nope.
You're being honest.
I'm always honest.
Yes,
Angel.
The elves have delivered a new package for us to unbox, and what we're going to do is Kimberly is going to look at it from the perspective of a shopper because she loves shopping, and I'm going to look at it the perspective of a seller because I love selling. And we'll see if any private label and arbitrage stuff comes out, which would be super interesting. We're going to analyze the heck out of this product, and then at the end, I'm going to look at the listing itself, and I'm just going to critique it and deconstruct it and tell you what is really good about this listing and what totally sucks.
Drum roll, please. Boom.
Again, I do not know what's in this box, and instead of using the butter knife, we are going to use the mighty machete. And now for the satisfying sound. Kimberly was a little nervous about me using this machete. She's like, Seth, make sure you cut it that way. I should make a little YouTube video with this sound.
That's pretty satisfying.
All right. Feels like Christmas. Oh my goodness. Do you see what I see? She did not know what this was. We just finished talking about cats.
What?
Whoa. Oh my goodness. Check
Oh my
this
gosh.
out. Oh my goodness. Man, I already love the product, which is a big problem. I'm gonna be super biased.
Hey, now you love your cats even more.
I like the product not because of the cat, but because of what the cat is doing. What do you think the brand is? The brand name?
Cat Playhouse?
Yeah, so there should be, and it took me a second to figure that out, because I'm thinking, does this mean this is the Playhouse?
Wait, is the brand Suck UK?
Oh my, well, look at that. Cool, so this is a Cat Playhouse. So what is your, as a shopper, if you found this on Amazon, what would be your first impression?
It looks fun.
Yeah.
I would definitely be interested in buying something like that since I have 3 cats and they just sit around all day, so why not?
Yeah. When I'm looking at this, the first thing I see, like my eyes go to, is the cat itself. So if I love pets, then I already have an emotional connection. Add this and I have a very emotional connection, which again makes me biased. It says cardboard classics, no glue needed, 1 scratch pad inside, so it's kind of convenient, fold it yourself. This is really interesting. My question is, does it actually work? I mean, does it actually hook up, or is it just a toy? You know, I kid you not, when I first saw it, I thought that this actually makes sound.
I did too, actually.
Interesting. So
yeah.
do you feel disappointed now that you know it doesn't?
No.
I feel very disappointed now that it doesn't.
But that's the practical side of me. I'm like, oh good, they need that anyways.
Okay, well let's open it up and see what this is like on the inside. All right. That's really cool. It's got a mean, lean cat face on there. The DJ Felix cat scratcher. Oh my goodness, it's like a whole cardboard set. Now, what is your feeling as we pull this out? Like, what's going through your mind if you bought this?
That it's made of cardboard, so it's lighter and cheaper to ship.
That's true, and the fees are a lot lower too. I definitely can tell you guys this, the size of this box right here, this is outside the small size of Amazon. It brings you to the next category up, but the weight is incredibly light, which helps. And you're right, the shipping as well is huge.
I like this little booklet, which I think, yeah, it's the instructions. It's very retro. It goes with the cover really well.
Yeah.
And it feels nostalgic somehow.
One thing, this might seem super picky, is when I first opened it, I didn't like seeing this. I would have preferred to have seen this. This makes me think I have work to do. Like Sauron on
Or
the
maybe
Wings.
it looks like nothing in there. It just looks
cheap.
like nothing in
It
there.
looks, yeah, it looks cheap. This actually looks better. So it might seem small, but that opening experience, first impressions, they count. This has never been truer than when you're selling products online. Okay, so here we go.
No, it's
So
comic book. See?
Here
Look.
I am trying, oh, boom, you're right. Boom. Here I am trying to put it together. So overall, how much would you pay, because since you own cats, this is perfect, and you're a cat mama, how much would you pay for this?
So I'm a bargain shopper. I would not pay more than $20 for this.
That's why she loves arbitrage. And here's more than 20?
No more than 20.
No more than 20. Okay. So for me, I would pay 45. No problem. But that's because I'm looking for a little bit more of a premium product. If it's 45, I'm assuming it's higher quality. But then once I open it up, I would think cardboard?
Yep.
I would be disappointed.
That's why I said 20.
Yeah, I can't wait to see the listing on this. What if I just figured out right now?
Seth style.
But there's nothing in here to make me want to go engage with them. It would kind of be weird for it to say suck you. Did you just break it?
No.
Okay, so it's been what, 10 minutes and we have not done anything on this. When you first saw this,
Yes.
how you perceived the value of the product, and now this, we're putting it together, has your value perception gone up or down?
Down.
But,
No, because.
okay, right, because the brand name says Suck UK.
No.
Okay.
No, because it should be not so complicated to put together.
Right, I feel like I'm gonna break it. This is embarrassing. We're adults. We've been married for over 20 years. We have 4 kids who are almost all adults, and we cannot.
Wait, being married and having 4 kids has to
Okay,
do with putting a box together?
You know, they grew up with toys. You know how many toys I've put together for kids when they were little?
True.
maybe
And
just-
furniture.
Yeah, like.
Okay, I see it.
There are people online who make a living off of putting IKEA furniture together. So maybe this is a new business opportunity. I will put your Suck UK product together because putting it together sucks. So, I think we managed to do that. Now what's next?
It says build part 2.
Oh boy. So it's these guys. Good thinking.
Voila.
So this thing actually spins. Kind of.
That's pretty cool.
And boom.
Wait.
60 minutes later, we did it. There's another box over there, and I'm really curious. I've been, this whole time, because I saw it too, I've been trying to figure out in my mind, what on earth is it?
Okay. And I don't know what this is either, so.
Back to the machete. Let's do this.
I hope nothing's alive in there.
You never know. I'm serious. They're going to go all out in the stuff they send us.
I don't think something alive would be in there for days.
This is a good point. Oh my goodness, is this a wig? Okay, I don't even know what it is yet. What's your first impression?
It looks like a stuffed animal. A fun one with colors. See? Color.
Wait, it looks like Rainbow Bright. I see like a unicorn head thing.
What?
Hey, they did the Amazon warning thing correct for suffocation. Very important. So what do you think so far? Like just when you opened it up, what is your overall impression of this?
It just looks like a stuffed animal, but now I see that it's a kitty.
I think this whole episode was built for you, Kate. It reminds me of Sugar Butt. What was that cat you named? The super fat one?
Sugar
Would
Butt.
walk along and its stomach dragged on the ground? Sugar Butt.
It's
What's up, Sugar
it's
Butt?
a unicorn cat.
Who plays the music, who's the DJ.
See? And it's retro.
All right, thank you so much for being here. This is Kimberly Joy, but we also call her KK. Check out her Instagram channel, KK Girl Fitness. She's a professional model. She's here with me today to help the unpacking. She's also an arbitrage queen, so she understands the seller experience on the thrifting arbitrage side like nobody's business. Awesome having you. Okay, see you guys. Guys, I'm excited about this part because we're now going to find out how is this listing doing on Amazon. So we'll just take a few minutes. Now the first thing I'm gonna do is treat this like a shopper. What would be the first thing I would do? I would search probably cat playhouse. Or maybe cat scratching pad, but how many people are actually looking for a scratching pad for a cat? I've never even seen it before. In fact, I would probably do cat toy. So let's start with that. Go to Amazon, cat toy. Let's see what comes up. Now its chances of showing up on the first page are very slim. I understand that because there's so many cat toys out there. And I'm seeing nothing so far. I see a lot of cat toys, but not this one. Okay, let's go to page 2, check one more time. Again, to rank for cat toy would be very expensive and difficult, especially for an item like this that I'm guessing costs more than $15, $12. Usually the lower cost items are gonna come up first. Don't let that discourage you, because if you are selling an item that doesn't come up on the first page for a really short keyword, because that means your cost has to be a lot lower, so it gets a lot of buys, which means your profits are more put at risk. Okay, now let's try cat music toy. I'm just trying to think, how would a shopper look for this product? And the first question is, does it rank? Boom, look at that. Bam, there it is. So cat music toy, oh my goodness, they're showing up on the second line. Okay, this is incredible. I'm impressed, but check out the reviews. There's only 3 stars and they're still ranking. And you remember what Kimberly said, how much she would pay for this? At the beginning, she said around 25 bucks. Then later she said more. Well, it's selling for $26.25. Let's see what's going on with this. The first picture is exactly like this. Obviously, that engages you. It very much engaged me when I saw it. I was very, very impressed. Here's my conclusion immediately. Amazing first photo causes it to get clicked on quickly. It's a great photo, it's unique, it's cool. The disappointment was when we opened the box and found a bunch of cardboard and had to suffer terribly in putting that thing together. Now, some people in this world love to build, so they wouldn't mind, but the majority of people want something they can give to their cat right away. So my first question is, how come they don't put it together already? I mean, it really would. I'm looking at it over there. I think it would fix in the box built. Even if the box had to be a little bit bigger, that's not gonna push you up to the next level of packaging size on Amazon and increase your FBA fees significantly. So why not have it put together already? And here's why. And this is such a great example, you guys. If the main photo is amazing, it will tend to convert well and people buy it. But then when they get it, if there's a level of disappointment, remember I asked Kimberly, how do you feel now? And we're looking at it and it's kind of frustrating putting it together. That's what creates critical reviews, and in this case, 3 stars only, and that can reduce conversion, which in the end will reduce ranking. Those are my thoughts. You guys have an awesome day.